Hello and welcome to the Desert Stories. I'm Nabila Farshori and let's have a look on today's headlines. In line with government's orientation to amend approved tariff categories for a citizen's account for residential category, Mazoon Electricity Company, the leading electricity provider in Oman, issued recalculated bills for the months of May, June and July as per the new categories last week. Mazoon Electricity Company also issued a regular bill for July 2021 which included all details as per the new tariff updates issued by Authority for Public Service Regulation. Saudi's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, Deputy Prime Minister and Chairman of Council of Economic and Development Affairs, launched on Tuesday the strategy for the development of the ASEAN region under the theme of the Arabian Highland. The Dubai civil defense teams were able to control a massive fire that broke out in a car showroom in Ras Al Khor, causing damage to 55 cars displayed in 8 showrooms. No injuries were reported according to the civil defense. Qatar Airways voted World's Best Airline for 6th time by 2021 World Airline Awards. The Skytrax customer survey operated for 23 months with the 2021 awards representing a mix of more normal times combined with some travel during the global pandemic. Heading up the winners is Qatar Airways, named as Airline of the Year 2021, with Singapore Airlines ranked second and ANA All Nippon Airways in third place out of more than 350 airlines included in the survey results. Kuwait Ministry of Health announced that children aged 5 to 11 will soon be vaccinated. With Pfizer-BioNTech announcing they are close to obtaining a license for the use of their vaccine for those in this age group, the ministry said it will vaccinate children in a few weeks from now as soon as the company obtains a license for use in the US and Europe. The dosage for this group will be much lower than compared to those above 12. The Labour Market Regulatory Authority announced a number of illegal expatriate workers are to be deported in compliance with the law. The joint inspection clampdown aimed to ensure that expatriate workers comply with the LMRA regulations and the law on residence in the Kingdom of Bahrain. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more desert stories.